Okay, so we're going to create a spreadsheet in our Google Docs. And what you're going to do, first place you go is your KPBSD website. Go ahead and log into your Google Drive, and it will bring up the blue sign-in place for you to put your PowerSchool information. Okay, so once you get to your Google Drive, you will see that you have the quick access. Now, these are documents that I have used recently, but you can see that I can't move them anywhere, and that's because they are the quick access. So those documents are actually way down here, the actual document itself. So if I did want to move it into a folder, that's what you would do. Okay, so for our purposes, you're going to create a new folder. We're going to go ahead and use your last name, underscore, which is a shift, and above the P is the underscore, and your first name, underscore, and we're going to call it biz. And this is underscore period 3, actually period 1. Okay, so your new folder will look like that. Next, let's go ahead and give it a color. And you may choose any color you want. I'm going to choose blue. Okay, so here it is right here. Also, if you click this triangle here that we call the shark's tooth, you can see that the folder is right there as well. Okay, so I have this document that I've been working on, and if I wanted to put it into the folder, I couldn't. So what I'm going to do is scroll down to my current spreadsheet that I have, and I'm going to drop it in there. Okay, so you might want to come in here and kind of organize, get some more folders. That's what I usually have people do at the beginning of the quarter. So for our purposes, you created a folder. You can see that I dragged one spreadsheet in there. So let's go ahead and get a spreadsheet. So I am in my folder. If I create a document within the folder that I'm in, that's where its home will be. Okay, so see, it's my drive is the first folder, and the second folder is the folder that I just created. Now you can come right here to the shark's tooth, and you can go ahead and let's see. No, you can't. All right, so we want to get a document. So just go ahead and right click and go to Google Sheets. It'll open up a blank sheet for you. Up here at the top, go ahead and change the title to last name underscore first name underscore, and we're going to call it ABC. Okay, so this is a document, a spreadsheet that will allow you to do all sorts of things, and formulating things, making long lists. Okay, come right here into the sheet area, and let's change that name to ABC as well. And you can also change the color if you wanted to. So it's kind of fun. There we go. All right. You will, if you can put that on a resume that you know how to work an Excel document, which is the Microsoft Word, Excel, or Google Sheets, you will be ahead of the game. So this is why we are going to be working on this spreadsheet. Okay, so click share and type church and share this with me, just like that. Now, what also works even better is if you would actually go back to My Drive right here in the folder and actually share the folder, okay? Because if you share the folder, then I can gain access to anything you put in this folder. So it's even better. So let's go ahead and click on the shark's tooth, click share, and now type church. And now you will be sharing this document with me, or this folder, and I will be able to work on it from there. Okay, move on to the next video, please.